Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Deep Driving. I am on my way to the Goddard School in Norwood, New Jersey to do a makeup class. I wasn't there on Wednesday because I had the privilege and pleasure to fly out to Kentucky and speak at the Southern Early Childhood Association conference. It was awesome. Representing about 7 or 8 different states. They gave me a nice little Kentucky blue horse, so I'm going to wear it proudly today when I teach my class. That way the kids are going to ask about it, and then we'll create a teachable moment. One of the things that we touched upon in the workshop that I did yesterday, which opened some eyes to a couple of teachers having access to their joy and happiness. That's what I like to focus on, joy and happiness. So I've learned in my journeys that I am the only one that gets to choose if I'm happy, if I'm sad, if I'm upset. I choose responsibility, which means that I choose to understand how my mind works and not give my power over to other people. So when I create an expectation of a person, place, or thing, or not just like in general, think about a person, an adult in your life. If you're a parent or a teacher, think about a child in your life. What expectations do you create for that child? Okay, now notice, how often do you create an expectation for that child or that adult, comma, don't share that expectation with them, comma, and then they don't fulfill on that expectation that you created in your mind without sharing it with them. They don't fulfill the expectation, but somehow it's their fault and we're upset at them. That is one of the most insane learned behaviors that human beings have taken on. It is amazing. We just process, we just take information on, we adapt. And where in the world did we get this whole thing about we creating expectations for others, not sharing it with them, and they don't fulfill the expectation, and now we're upset at them, instead of making a choice saying, well, what expectation did I create for this person, this place, or this thing? Like if I'm driving and now it was sleeting before and now it's raining again. If I create an expectation that there's not going to be traffic, and then there's traffic, I don't get mad at the traffic. I can choose to get mad at myself, or I can not even get mad, just choose to be like, all right, well, obviously I didn't leave early enough. And I get to take responsibility, which means I get to have power. So just think about that at some point during your next couple of days. If you get mad at a person, or you get mad at a situation or a child, be a star. Stop, think, act, review. Stop, ask yourself, what behavior did I create an expectation for that wasn't fulfilled? Take a break. Think about what it was. Act. And make that choice to change your expectation, and then review. Stop, think, act, review. I hope this is valuable to you. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. And everybody take a deep breath in and breathe out. And enjoy your day. Take care.